I was a prophet Telvin Sowah Eden come she be about a NPP party no. And you may better see NPP party no even before 2028 elections. Obetre me kwan a alantramaten be fa so aba party no mu biem. De omudi be ye Kennedy Japan e wo party no mu. Na fesu enipa bi a omus be bo mo ho ano e beti wo mo ho every party no mu akọ me different party. Ala fe wa kire se omude oba ene be ba omia vice president in 20 just ebusan as my prophet Telvin Sowah abege Canada ebi so dangerous. I have Penyah block media. Message say any demo. Oba like video another one. Oba subscribe button as na be click notification icon for latest update. Na be kire wadwon dia ma me e comment especially so oba so. Oba share video ma for so enya bi ahwe. The NPP partner once they were together, but as time flew, there was separation. What I say, separation started setting in. Alan Cash ete no ho. Emma even Japan kram no kan speaker. Enko ya te no ho. But Prophet Telvin Sowah etre say the coming back of Alan Trematin is certified. Now it will happen in 2027.
Standing there's one amazing thing. On him say in time, I saw something happening strangely in time. Said the NPP party. There is also another person that's formed another party out of the party.
Hey, within 4 years and
2028 election, and I was amazed. I was like, what are these people doing to the party?
As no, the Alan I know.
Yes, the return of Alan is in 2027.
He will come back to NPP.
Yes, they'll drag him back
to lead the party.
But it's not going to work. That's a news flash. The same angle in October.
And all kinds of power. If the Alan will come back in 2027.
Yes. They'll drag him back. They'll pull him everything, communication, every structure, and every other thing. But then it won't work at the end of the day. It will work perfectly from the beginning. But then, almost to the election again in November and in October, the thing will fail.
2027, Alan Trematin back to the NPP party. Na one Kennedy Japan abe team up. Said they no mu team up na nko mu nyina efri mu no. Kennedy will stay here Alan Coy no. Sa no kire say Alan coming back to NPP no. They will team up. He will team up with Kennedy Japan. And Prophet Telvin enka say mu and what was say NPP as a party no Bawumia ombema no female vice president.
They will try to give Dr. Bawumia a female vice presidential candidate.
Yes. When we get there and have a chance, I'll break it out.
Lawyer address of one. Because I say who say or radio talk can the bush asem. Oh no. Say or no.
Not at all. No.
Bawumia mfano.
Dabi.
And why you in the one all Kazasan?
So that's what is going to happen. There's going to be another division there at that angle.
Vision 4 and some
Said the Jena no quite my Mahama vice. Sa no be choose o appoint a female to be a vice another running mate for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in the 2028 general election ebekono. That's a Bawumia e Penyah vice. No kire mu say Kennedy Japan on say ahwe enkomo ani na montren so a NPP party na say obiara hwe any da Kennedy Japan onim. Campaign for 20 and I say Ken for 2028. But Telvin say there will be a great disappointment. NPP for Omokwemo Prime Minister Ombema Kennedy Japan a very showdown.
But that was the biggest track and movement and every other thing. And then they will disappoint Kennedy Japan because he'll be winning the election and all of a sudden for the primaries. And all of a sudden Bawumia will divide him into pieces very quick, very fast. And that's the strangest thing that is going to happen in time. So that one is another.
Ombe disappointed Kennedy Japan be man showdown, hard showdown. Now I know never cause say NPP for a defeat in 2028 general election because it will bring a massive division to the party. And not the see a massive division to the party. I say because of that now NPP ebetene fiache. Emo kanya kwa kuzi say Bawumia kura bete ne ho afri party no.
And the one thing that is going to happen in time is Alan and Bawumia. And no, Alan and Kennedy Japan. They will shake the whole country. You're in your head, you would even think, say, Ken will become president. He will win the primaries. But then magic, last minute, during the primaries, don't know where Baumia's results are coming from. Boom. Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Baumia, flag bearer of the NPP again, opposition, 4 years.
Dr. Baumia.
That's not what I'm saying. You are the one.
Wow. What raises, I mean, major points were had.
Okay.
About Alan Cash, any Kennedy Japan before me alliance.
Yes. Very solid alliance in September.
This year?
Not this year.
Okay. After some more primaries now. Okay. And then Dr. Baumianso, any Kennedy Japan call elections na contest na Ken Belidi, but all of a sudden,
he'll win. Ken has won. They've raised up his hand. Everyone like, oh, Ken. And then they are surprised, Ken. 11 p.m. I'm giving you time. 11 p.m. 11:45 there about 11 p.m. there about. By the time you realize somewhere around 11 p.m. there about, some funny game is going on, funny business, monkey business is going on. That's the end. Baumia comes up. Baumia, he has won like thousands, hundreds of thousands. He has won them like Bribo very far. I don't know whether they bent Ken's result or however they did it. But it's a very brutal.
Counter friends a vote near the Adena all leading.
It will just surprise everybody like magic. Boom! All of a sudden he has lost, and then they come back to opposition again, and then they play the role again until the next 4 years again. 2032. On the hill.
On the hill, no. So this time, what will happen to Baumia? Na hill, no, so because now, I say, we capture party, no. Ken ko for me alliance with Alan. At the end of Bema, Baumia so free NPP, no.
When we get there, I'll tell you about Miaka, or say, I do not divulge the weapons of victory beforehand, so I'll keep that one.
Baumia betting of the party. What I say, ain't when is someone Telvin Sowah, and so I always see Uncle Monsieur Montenesua, make I second Japan, or didn't can echo Katia a doom piece at a horse share of more money, man. Now, we see Morano, not an ordinary.
So who to a stores are ashing. Now and then second one days are now million member of victory ashing. And the Western Casino. And Timmy Bano Penyah. And say, I sent 2 million at all. It is a winning and that also put the other one. It may buy a minimum, and the one above. Yes, a Penyah, you bet me a fossil. Ama and the phone and the other one, my true one, Penyah, I wish him. If someone named Professor D. Kasa, don't catch him, say, me, Estos, as she. Now, Sikano go dinner as we eat. And yes, easy to get it back. But I may catch them in your room. When we walk and he said, me also be here, I'm a teacher, and he said, what yes. I am President. I'm working. I'm in Quad, and the boy, Emma, yet me a pre, I bet you sabri. I want you didn't say. I did in a mono. A boy of woman. Giving him, sir. One man, and he been young and then one. There won't appear pre aside here. In himself and choir, what you are wearing. Give it to me aside. I get Juma. And though I'm not a bum dear, I give it to me. I get Juma. aba yɛ sika ahyɛ no yɛnya ne nyinaa kora no a yɛbɛtumi anya bi afi enti nkwa no a Nyankopɔn da ma yɛ no ɛno ne ade a ɛyɛ me da efisɛ aman bebree nsɛm sɛ asi a nnipa bebree hwere wɔ mu kwa ɛnso asanteman nyame dɔ yɛn wama asɛmbɔne asiiɛ no ama nnipa nso ahwere ne nkwa anka ho yɛde bɛyɛ awerɛkyekyere na yɛhwɛ kwan a yɛfa so a yɛbɛtumi ama saa atoyɛ nkyɛm no ɛnsi bio ba nokorɛ nie na ɛbɛyi nsa nifa so ha me ho yi ɛsɛ wohwɛ store so sei na yɛma nkɔfoɔ kɔ apata sei wɔ ha deɛ a nokorɛ ni ɛno nso ɛkɔkyew kakra ɛkɔkyew ɛfisɛ asɛm
ɛna wɔsa akora kɔɔ University campus na wɔkora wɔkaka sɛ bɔne bi a wɔyɛ obiara wɔmfa nkyɛ
resume our seats? Can we resume our seats? Thank you. Thank you. This is a wonderful ministration. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen.
I'll call it for unity among the NPP. And was more around annual than I just said. And come over to say Kennedy will lead the party. But this is also what Prophet Telvin Sowah Ababeka. When Tia said no, I didn't tell him. Said I was a Hunia match. Raja Mamma, our comment section. Hi, Penyah Block Media.